just woke up 3 in the morning. We are getting ready to leave to our first stop, Sequoia National Park. Hey guys, so we just gassed up $49.87 to fill up this Honda HR-V. Next stop is Sequoia National Park.
Sequoia.
And that's going to take us about 5 hours, 47 minutes. All right, here we go. Well, we just made it into the Sequoia National Park. $35 to enter with private vehicles. Right now in August, no fires below 6,000 feet, but we're going to the Upper Stony Creek Campground. We should be good. Alright, so here we are, Sequoia National Park. We found some parking at the Lodge Pool Campground. They have these shuttles that take you to certain parts of the park. Right now we're going to grab one and take it to General Sherman's tree. So we're about to get on the Lodge Pool shuttle. Where we're at is the green, so we'll start here and get off anywhere where the bus is.
And then these three colors, those three shuttles go.
And this bus is full. This bus is giving me Shang-Chi vibes. General Sherman tree, huge. So we made it to our campground. Here we are, number 11. This is the Upper Stony Creek Campground located in the Sequoia National Park. We were able to secure one spot for the night. Our plan is just to set up the camp, get some dinner going. Tomorrow morning, Sunday, we'll make our way to Yosemite. We got a little creek by our campsite here. It's pretty nice. So on the menu, we're going to have chili cheese dogs. She wanted it, so I made sure I had to buy it. We got the Angus bun size wieners and the beanless Hormel chili. And of course the cheese. And there is camp made chili cheese dogs. Yeah. Hey guys, it's about 6 in the morning. It's not too cold. We're about to get ready, get some coffee going, some simple breakfast, and then we'll make our way to Yosemite. It's about a 4-hour drive from here. And then we'll go explore that place. It wasn't too cold last night, about 60s. The wife and I slept pretty nice. Sequoias are nice. It's nice. Waking up to these trees.
Going up the hill, and it's beautiful.
wife gets upset very easily. Sometimes I stop for pictures and then I'm like, we get the pictures and it's time to go. And she's all like, oh, let's take it in. And apparently I'm getting in the way of her pictures. So this is probably like the 12th time this trip that she's been upset with me. And it's only day 2. Horse cock. Might get a basket. Is it good?
The discounts here are almost as good as Disneyland. 35.
So when you guys are out and about doing activities or camping of any sort, the heat is going to get to you. So you're going to have a little bit more calorie intake, especially if you're walking or just setting up camp or anything. So we had oatmeal and Andrew had some coffee. Went to a couple stops and we got some snacks, some trail mix, some peanut butter Ritz crackers because they have a lot of protein in those. Just stopped off for some lunch. We both got burgers that were pretty filling. I've been staying hydrated more than I've ever have, so I've been using the bathroom a lot. TMI. And just keeping yourself constantly fueled, otherwise you will be sapped of energy. But the good thing with the Yosemite is there's a lot of trees, the part that we're going, so stay under the shade. Stay cool. You don't have to move so fast to get to see everything. Just go a little bit slower, take it all in. Otherwise, you can pass out if you're not getting enough water.
All right, after 2 hours of trying to find a parking spot in this heat, we made it. We're about to do our Mirror Lake hike. We're gonna have to get a shuttle to stop number 17. It's a 2-mile round trip. So stay tuned. Hello, dear.
Hi.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Stunning. All right, we're about to go see if we can find some water and take a nice dip. It's about 90 degrees. It's not too bad though. walked a mile in. We were hot and sweaty, and what a better way to cool off than just dip right in the little stream.
Totally worth it. Alright guys, we're heading in. We've been going maybe a mile on this road, and the campground is called Tamarack Flat. It's in Yosemite Park, National Park, and it is really pretty to come down here. It's a 3-mile road, a little bumpy but not too bad, and it's paved. A lot of trees, looking out for wildlife. Saw some birds, some squirrels. It's really pretty coming down though. We're in the campground and Andrew is looking for his name for the reservation. And hopefully he found his name.
All right, we made it to our campsite, number 31. It's pretty nice. Got the fire pit, bare box. Kind of roomy. All these trees though. I'm gonna be here for one night, and then we'll continue our journey north to Lake Tahoe. So me and the wife have decided tonight we're going to sleep in our car, just because this is a one stop. We don't want to break down the tent, mattress, air mattress, and all that. Tomorrow when we get to Lake Tahoe, we'll set up, and we're going to be there 2 nights. So right now this is just our little kickback spot.
You can bake food such as first gather a large bundle of long red leaves. Wow, look at this view from the bathroom.